In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit and size your Shopify banner. So let's get started. So in order to do that, you can see in here that I am on the online store, and under that, I can see the theme that I have. So I can just head over and customize right here, and then this will open the Shopify customizer where I can edit it out the banner right here. So I have here an image banner. This is what it looks like. In here, you can see the banner length or the banner height instead. You can just head over and click on that. And if you try to switch to small, as you can see, the banner will be small. So in here, you can see that they have this ratio right here that they recommend. And you can head over and then just upload a picture that is actually on the ratio right here. If you head over and then just choose this medium right here, as you can see, it will change as well. And this will look like this. So for me, I'll just head over and then just use the small right here. And then as you can see, this will look like this. So when you scroll down, you can also see in here the layout as well as the theme settings and custom CSS that can actually help you resize it up. So you can head over and put in here the font size, the banner height, and everything right here. So in here, you can also put in here a first image wherein this image right here will be replaced depending on the size of the image that you put it. But take note also that there's actually a recommended aspect ratio for that in order to be integrated. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below or subscribe because that's reach more people. See you soon.